Hello and welcome to Microsoft Project 2016. First of all, we'll start with a blank project and I'll let you know how to how to go step by step. So before creating a project, this is the screen which is opened for Microsoft Project 2016. And before you create a project, you need to keep in mind certain parameters. Now I already assume that you must be aware of what the screen looks like of Microsoft project. So I'm directly going to the setup of the for creating the project. First of all, I'll go to the file menu. From there, I will already since I've opened a blank project, now I'll go to directly to options. In options, I will see my date format. Now generally there are various date formats available, but I prefer this British UK system of date format which is also used in India. Then I will go to display. I find that okay, the symbol for me, if it is in your country, you may use the symbol whatever currency is being used. Then I'll go to schedule, I'll go to, I'll convert this decimal into 0 because I don't want any 2 digits after because the cost which I will be monitoring will be huge, like it will be in millions. In scheduling, my week starts on Monday, fiscal year starts in January. Default though India has April, but I am for certain reasons I'm keeping it January. Then there is a default start time, end time, hours per day, 8 hours per day, because there will be a break in of 1 hour in between this. Then there is a hours per week. This will 6 days a week I'll make it, so it will come to 48 days per month. It will be 26 days because it will be Sunday, only Sunday holiday, not Saturday Sunday, because the project which I will be creating is for the construction project. Then new task created will be auto scheduled. My project started, that will be I will see when I'll go to project information. My duration will be entered in days. My work, instead of hours, I'll keep it days because I'm creating a construction schedule, so it's better to keep it days because the manpower resource calculation will be done in days. Fix units and calculate project after each edit on. Then I go to advanced. In advanced, I'll just check it whether all the standards which I have mentioned are okay. Whatever is my requirement. Project 2% complete. My earned value will be based on baseline. Okay. Now, so as I mentioned, this Saturday I'll keep it as working. So I'll change the change work. I'll go to change working time. I'll keep my project as standard calendar. I'll go to work weeks, year details. I'll select Saturday. I'll set set days to these specific working times. I'll manually enter 08002. Now since this is a 24 hours date format, so it will take 12, and then from here 1300 to 1700 with a 1 hour break. So it's an 8 hours Saturday, and this is all has been gone. Now these are all working days. You see here, these are all working days. I can again recheck it whether whatever the work weeks I've entered are okay. Saturday. Okay. Now I'll go to project information. I'll keep my start date as 1st June. Current date may be okay. Status date I will use it when I will be updating and tracking the project. My project calendar will be a standard one. Whatever change working time we have done. Schedule from project start date and okay. I'll hide this timeline. It is unnecessary creating an entrance to me right now. So this will increase my work area. Now to start with the project, I'll first enter the construction project. G+4 residential building. It's not using building. Now I'll start entering. Suppose I start entering substance. First of all, start. Start is to just ensure that I link all my predecessors and don't leave only one predecessor will remain open, and that is the start activity. All else are linked so that I can arrive at a critical path. Similarly for successes, I'll put an end. Now you can see this task mode are auto scheduled. Had it been manual, the icon would have been different. This is the manual schedule icon, this is the auto schedule icon. I start with substructure. In substructure, there may be activities like excavation, RCC up to plinth. I am not making a detailed schedule but a broad level schedule. Then comes superstructure. Superstructure, RCC works, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and terrace floor. Above terrace, that is lift, machine room, overhead tanks, etc. I'll shift somewhat. Now see, I'm just building only for RCC for ease of convenience. Later on I'll show you the detailed schedule of the same. RCC works. So this now I will indent, selecting. I can make a subset. This will please excuse me because my PC is a little bit slow. This is what I have done. And I'm putting one more. Now since all these activities are sequential, this is my 2 days, 4, 5. Just remember how I'm linking this activity. These are activity IDs. So this I have linked with start, activity ID 2. This I have linked with 4, excavation. This I have linked with 5. Now I can mention for sequential, I can either mention FS, but the default FS will take it as the numerical digit. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and I end here at 13 because this will be my last activity. Start is a milestone, so it will come as 0. Excavation 15 days, length may take up till 90 days depending upon the volume. This is the standard duration which I am taking. RCC, there is a mistake. Actually this is RCC work, should come with this, and this is linked with 5. So sometimes you have to be careful how you are aligning. This comes at 30, 15, 15, 15. You can click and drag, that's what it is trying to say. 15, 60 days, and again 0. This completes my how I create and link my schedule. In the next session I will be explaining how to load the resources.